In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable virtual background in Zoom. Virtual backgrounds let you replace your real-life surroundings with a clean image or a simple video, which is great for privacy, brand consistency, or just keeping your calls distraction-free. I'll walk you through the process clearly and offer a few practical tips so your background looks crisp and professional. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all the settings. If you haven't updated Zoom in a while, it's a good idea to do that before you start, because the virtual background feature and its name may vary slightly between versions. Once Zoom is open on your desktop, you'll land on the home screen where you can start or schedule meetings. Next, head into Settings. On the desktop app, you'll find a small gear icon near the top right corner of the window. Click that to open the settings panel. If you don't see the gear, you can also click your profile picture and choose settings from the menu. This panel controls your audio, video, and many other preferences, and it's where you'll turn on your virtual background.